Hey everyone, welcome back. This is my newest upgrade. I finally added LED lighting to the rear footwell for the back seat. And honestly, this is one of those small mods that makes the interior feel way more premium. If you didn't catch my previous videos, I've been slowly upgrading the interior of my Maxima step by step. You can check the links in the description below or the channel for the full build journey. So what I did is I connected the positive wire to this light down here, and then I grounded it to the chassis bolt up here, or right down there. And then I ran the wires down through here, underneath, and then it will come out underneath the seat. I use the same connector for the light. I had extra ones laying around, and the LED that I have uses these small pins. So all I have to do is connect it to here, and we have light, and it makes somewhat of a secure connection. It's not going anywhere. And then it will bolt to the bottom of the chair, and we'll have lights at the footwell of the back seats. So it will be on the back seat. I created a bracket on the back seat. I made a bracket, bent it a little bit so that it will bolt in here. LED will go right here, and it'll connect, and the light will shine out. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that now. And this is exactly what I was going for. A nice even glow across the rear floor, nothing blinding, just clean ambient lighting. This is definitely one of those low-cost mods that adds a high-end feel to the car. If you're upgrading your interior, this is one of those mods that I absolutely recommend. If this helped you out or gave you any ideas for your build, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Maxima upgrades.